everyone. Let's learn about the letter X, and its sound is X. X. You hear two sounds in this, a little bit of K and a little bit of S. So now you have to join both to take out the sound of X. It is X. X. Now since it is a special sound, so let's see how and where we use this sound of X. 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 As in box. Box. X. As in fix. Fix. X. As in six. Six. X. As in fox. Fox. X. As in mix. Mix. Now let's see how to write the uppercase letter X and the lowercase letter x in cursive writing. This is the print font of X and this is the cursive font of X. They all are X and the sound is X. Now let's see how to write the uppercase first. From here, the first blue line go up in a swing till the red line, come down with a curve and stop here. And then on the same line, do not lift your hand up, go up on the same line and then make C curve. This way. Look again. From here, touch the red line, come down in a curve and stop here, but do not lift your hand. Go back on the same line, same track, and then come down with a curve. This is uppercase letter X. X. Now we will just speak the sound. X. X. In the same way, we will write the lowercase x, but only in between two blue lines. We'll start from here and stop here, go back on the same line and come back with the C. X. 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 Watch this video again for the better clarity. Bye bye.